wandering in the jungle, and I'm at the top. There are lots of thorns, and yeah, it's steep. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here at the jungle, yeah, with my mother and her friends. So they told that they want to, yeah, take some leaves for the pig. So I have accompanied them. So we will be having food here itself. But before that, we'll have tea. Yeah. So we've already reached. But yeah, and we have parked our car there. If you can see over there. Me and one of our friends is in the cooking, and two of them gone for, yeah, collecting the leaves for the pig. So let's go. So guys, right now I'm going to make a cup for drinking tea because we forgot to bring a cup. So we are going to make it from the bottle. So we'll just cut it into half, clean it, and yeah, we'll use this as a cup. So let me just make. So guys, I'm done with the tea, and yeah, right now I'm going to the jungle to explore and also take mole. Na? So I'm searching for mole. I don't know where is it. Yeah, but I'm searching. See, full of. I'm carrying the bag, but I don't know whether I'll see the mole or not. Oh, I saw it. Let me just show you. So this is the mole. We're going to take this. Okay, there are lots of it, so we'll take it. and even some, what do we say, leaves now that when you touch it, just now this type of leaves. There are lots of leaves here. So so guys, I'm done collecting the manure. So it's full, you can see. So yes, wow.
봐봐, 뭘 들라? 이봐, 이거 다녀빌라. 봐봐, 시원해. 아빠가 계속 하간지. 해봤지? 아우, 끔찍하지. 예, 가비. 이마 우에 슬라우 가마. 응.
So guys, I bought the manure, and yeah, we're going to have food now. So this is rice, and this is pork, for cooking pork meat, and this is green veg. We are going to have this. This is chutney. This is chutney, and these are the things stuffs that we bought. So altogether, we are going to have food right now. Yeah, little bit more to wait, and yeah, we're good to go. And after that, after having food, we'll go back. So let's see how long does it take.
So after a long day work, we're going to finally have our food. So we're going to have pork with local rice. So this is the pork, and yeah, now we are getting ready to have our food.
Napa? Kumaga. Tarang.
So guys, we're finishing our food, and yeah, every work is done. So we are now at the highway. So we'll be sorry for the yeah. So we'll be going back right now. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, see you on another vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and tata.